So as you can see up here, we're doing some beautiful custom work, or rather Lou Conover of Shingle Designs, a local artisan, is doing the skyline of Mount Tom with cedar shaked shingles. And he's doing this on the west gable end, so when somebody stands in front, they can see his drawing of Mount Tom and Mount Tom at the same time. Now, Backyard ADUs uses off-site construction to make this possible. We build all of the commodity features like the wall framing, making sure it's extremely airtight, and common finishings, so the homeowner can spend a little bit of extra money on beautiful artwork like this that really gives the house that extra curb appeal and something that they can be proud of.